Hi, I present to you April 12, 2009. I'd like to show you this new set that I bought. It's from Lego Racers for Ferrari Victory, and pretty cool set. Flagman comes with three bridges. Flagman, I don't know his name is. I don't know his name is. Yeah. That's for him. Yeah, pretty cool set. We recommend it. Here's the Flagman. The people I don't recommend, the stickers I don't recommend, and this is a sticker. This is a sticker. And here's a sticker sheet. That's a sticker. Yeah. Italian Grand Prix. Yeah. First world number 1. This is, yeah, he's the number 1. Yeah. It's not real cool, I guess. Pretty cool. Recommend this set. Yeah, this breaks every time. Wait a second. I'm sorry about those little you hear something? Yeah, it's a movie. Yeah, you know what it is. You're supposed to take this out. We'll be stuck on it. Take this off. Just take out the guy. So, there's 2 hours to build. You gotta build 2 of them. And he has a helmet, the visor, and that's his head. It's a sticker. Yeah, pretty cool. I just finished building this, and pretty cool. Here we have a second one. Pretty cool, like his helmet, and we'll be stuck on it again. Yeah, he has a different helmet design, and I like it better. And his way it looks like. That's a sticker. That's a sticker. Yeah, the instruction manual. Yeah, big mess. We'll just fix it a little. Oh yeah, whatever. I pretty good set. I really recommend it. I don't have that. I don't have that because I don't have that much money. 20 pages of a 6 off. Yeah. It's kind of rare. Wait for a second. So let's put all pages on. Yeah, pretty good set, actually. Yeah, I don't really care about that. Yeah, here's the front. Here's the box. With the 3 people, cover 2 cars. Got 3 okay. Some 2 of them safe. Yeah, and box.